In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop shadow in Figma. Let's start from the very beginning. First, log into your Figma account and head to your main dashboard. From here, open the project where you want to add a drop shadow. This could be a website layout, a mobile app screen, or any design file you're currently working on. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct page or frame inside that project so you don't accidentally edit the wrong design. Once you're inside the Figma editor, click on the object you want to apply the drop shadow to. This can be almost anything: an image, a button, a card, or a simple shape. In this example, we'll use an image, but the process is exactly the same for other layers. With your object selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen where you'll see the Properties panel. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Effects. This is where Figma lets you add visual effects like shadows and blurs. Next to the word Effects, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon. A new effect will be added, and a small pop-up will appear near the Effects section. At the top of that pop-up, there's a drop-down field that usually starts as a default effect, like Drop Shadow or Layer Blur. Click this drop-down and choose Drop Shadow from the list if it isn't already selected. Now you can customize how your shadow looks. You'll see controls for X and Y. These values control the position of the shadow relative to your object. Adjust the X value to move the shadow left or right, and the Y value to move it up or down. Play with small increments until the shadow looks natural. Below that, you'll find the blur value. Increasing this will make the edges of the shadow softer and more diffused, while lowering it will make the shadow sharper and more defined. You may also see a spread value. Changing the spread will make the shadow appear larger and more filled in, or tighter and closer to the object. To change the color of the shadow, click on the color swatch. This opens a color picker where you can choose any color you like. On the far right of that color control is an opacity setting. Lower opacity makes the shadow more subtle and transparent, while higher opacity makes it stronger and more noticeable. There's also an option called Show Behind Transparent Areas. Enabling this will allow the shadow to appear behind any transparent parts of your layer, which can be useful for things like PNG images or shapes with cutouts. Once you've adjusted the position, blur, spread, color, and opacity, take a step back and look at your design as a whole. Zoom out and see how the shadow affects the overall composition. If it feels too strong, dial it back. If it's barely visible, increase the opacity or spread. When you're happy with how everything looks, you're done. That's all you need to add a clean, effective drop shadow in Figma.